how to reset your Roblox password without an email address or a phone number. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So let's get started. Now, if you don't know, or if you want to reset your Roblox password because you can't log in or whatever, then you want to click on forgot password or username. Then right here, you are on the password tab, and here you can enter your email address to reset it. But if you don't have it, then you can also click on phone number and then add a phone number. But let's say you don't have both of these added, or you somehow forgot both your email and phone number. Then there is another method in order to fix this. Now, the easiest method is simply going to help. And over here, you will go into a new tab and you want to click on Roblox account. And here you can see, I forgot my password. You want to click on there. Now, this whole article explains basically what I've just explained to reset your password with your email address or a phone number. But like I said, if you don't have both, then you can go to still having trouble. It says if you didn't add an email address or phone number to your account and try to reset your password, you can reset your password with this feature, contact the customer support. So click on the customer support. This will open up a new tab. Here you have to fill in everything like your username. Then go to the issue, what device are you having a problem on. In this case, I'm on a PC, but I don't think for this it does really matter what you choose. So then go to category, click on account hacked or can't log in. Here select forgot password. And here you want to describe your issue. So just explain to them what your problem is. And hopefully in a couple of hours or a couple of days, they will respond and hopefully fix it for you. So yeah, good luck with this. And I hope this video helps you out. I'll see you next time.